WEWORTH was founded more than 20 years now. We are still a young but growing very rapidly furniture company. We are specialized in offering the total solutions of working space, like executive desk by cabinet, fabric sofa, soundproof desk, ergonomic chairs, and a to standard desk. We develop new designs of furniture products, working with European design studios, which are matched with different scenarios, not only working space, but also education, residential, and hospitality. We will supply you sufficient products to make healthy and harmonious living and working spaces. We are need to working with you and to make works together with you. We will make our works